I know one. I did too. Oh, okay.
Seconds in.
Great.
How about you tell me to do what I've already done, John? That sounds like a great idea.
We can have dialogue going on. Finicky duty. Yeah, just bring it on. Bring it. Don't wait for them.
Man, I don't even know why I bought this tire.
That's good.
It's good.
Babies off with my bare hands.
Oh yeah, of course. I put 6 fingers. Hey, you guys, found these hubcaps. Ain't got a scratch on. Must be worth 2 beans a piece easy. Hey, how much you think we give these cool dice? Hey, who the hell puts brand new chromers on a second-hand Dodge car engine?
Probably a real tool.
Hey, let's go push these things off somebody else, right?
Yeah, 11 o'clock at night.
Jerry, do a money-making kind of this motion.
Police station, they don't use those kind of hubcaps on police cars.
Nice, Alex.
Oh, hey, someone's coming. This is the evidence. Let's go.
There's an actual flashlight for you there.
All right, put those things back on the car, you dipstick.
Oh, come on. Why are you such a grouch? We're just holding for you so nobody will swipe us.
Here, Kinnicky. What are you gonna do with this hunk of junk anyway? What are you talking about? This is greased lightning.
Now, Mike, you gotta walk from the back of the car to the front and peel it off more dramatically. Oh,
Do you really expect to make out of this?
either way, just make it much more dramatic. Doesn't matter. I mean, you have to pull it off. Don't just toss the sheet off.
Candy apple primer.
Good.
All right, you guys laughed it up. You wait till I put a nice coat of paint on this and stand it up. It'll be working like a chain.
Good.
Yeah. This car could be automatic.
Good. Good.
Could be systematic.
Good.
Nice job,
This
guys.
car can be hydromatic. Why? This is greased lightning.
Nice, Mike. Hey, Mike, make sure that you take a good breath when they're doing the go, 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 goes, because your voice isn't critical, so you can use that to get ready for when you start singing the verse. Nice, good transition.
With the floor being so quiet, can you guys bring it down just a little bit so we can tap
You guys got to watch out for that car. Yep. Nice job, Colleen. Come on in.
What is that thing?
Hey, Rizzo, what took you so long?
Never mind what took so long. What is that? Need custom convert?
This is it. Ain't it cool?
Yeah. That's cool to get humor, Cut.
Okay, Rizzo. Let's go back to your pajamas party. I know plenty of people who would get down on their knees to get a ride on one of these numbers.
Out. What do you think this is, a management lounge? Hey, Danny, left your girlfriend at Marty's house. You know, flashing all over the place.
What are you talking about?
You know, Sandra Dombrowski, Sandra D.
Hey, be cool, you guys.
Hey, what the hell that's a Rizzo?
Oh, the bus! Hey, you guys should have cut those hubcaps.
What are you talking about? They're yours!
No, they ain't.